Bitcoin just blasted past 122k. Ethereum is back over 3k. The air is thick with euphoria. It feels like alt season is finally here. But it isn't. Not even close. Alts are up 20% and people are acting like the 20x. And that right here is the exact moment most traders get absolutely slaughtered. They ape into every green candle. They chase every altcoin that bounced 20%. They think the party has started, that the easy money is back. Look, I don't want to rain on your parade. I am happy. I believe alt season is coming. I believe this will be the biggest bull run ever. But if you play this market like it's already here, you're gonna get smoked. So today, I'm answering the most important question of all. When alt season? I'm giving you my full map. I'm showing you what I think happens after Bitcoin breaks all-time high and how to control your emotion when everyone is blindly running into traps. So let's get you ready. If that sounds good to you, smash that like button. It tells me you're locked in. Let's do this. Actually, before we get into it, I need to say one thing for the record. I am bullish. I believe alt season will come eventually. I need to make that clear because whenever I talk about staying calm and being patient, people say I'm bearish and footing. Anyway, let's get into it. This video is for informational purposes only. Crypto assets are high risk and are not suitable for all retail investors. This video is not intended for a UK audience. Bitcoin is absolutely smashing it right now. 122k feels so good. It's easy to get carried away. I mean, when Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, retail traders do one obvious thing, and manipulators love it because it's so easy to predict. They immediately dump their Bitcoin and ape into microcaps thinking, now it's alt season. But historically speaking, alt season can be weeks or even months away. You all know this chart, right? First Bitcoin pumps, then Ethereum, then large caps, so on and so forth. Well, we are still here, and alt season is all the way down here. The big question is, how long does it take to get from here to here? Well, there's no set in stone timeline. That's not how the market works. And let's face it, this bull run has ignored the previous two cycles' timelines anyway. What we know right now is that we're at the early stages of the capital rotation. Bitcoin leads, Bitcoin sucks all the oxygen out of the room, Bitcoin gets the headlines, the institutional buys, the ETF inflows. Everything else, it lags. And yes, Bitcoin dominance is taking a hit, but let's face it, most alts are still 50 to 80% below their December 2024 high. So if you're sitting there watching Bitcoin hit 122k and immediately looking to rotate into microcaps, I would just say be cautious. Don't let euphoria rush you into the front running a rotation that hasn't even started. Now let's break down the rotation. Okay, so ETH is flirting with 3k. It's a nice round psychological number. It feels good. But it means almost nothing. Let me say that again for the people at the back. ETH at 3k is just a checkpoint on a very long road. It is not a signal. Alt season has always been ETH led. Before alt season starts, ETH needs to break its all-time high of $4,900, in my opinion, and not just a quick wick above it. We need a decisive, powerful break and a hold above $5,000. Until that happens, ETH is just reclaiming lost ground. It's fighting its way out of a hole. And before you say, you're wrong, my alts are pumping, I got so many of those comments the other day. Please, a 20% pump on an alt that is down 80% is not alt season.